Hi! When we first tried mounting the new Mosko Moto Reckless 10 V2 on a BMW F900GS equipped with our standard top luggage rack, we noticed it didn't fit as neatly as we would like. Luckily, there is a simple solution. We have just released the Perun Moto Mini Top Luggage Rack, purpose-built to provide a seamless fit for all Mosko Moto Reckless bags when using the Gnoblin mounting system. The new composite base of the Reckless 10 V2 slightly interferes with the front corners of the standard rack, preventing the harness from curving naturally and resulting in less than ideal fit. With the mini top rack, that issue is completely eliminated. In this video, we'll show how it all comes together, mounting the Reckless 10 with the Gnoblin on the new mini rack. The Gnoblin comes with all the necessary hardware for installation. You'll need only basic tools, a 4 and 5mm Allen keys and a 10mm wrench. Let's start by mounting the Gnoblin base onto the Reckless 10 harness. Make sure each part is correctly oriented. Align the top and bottom pieces with the bolt holes, hold the lower one in place and thread in all 4 bolts by hand. Once everything is seated properly, tighten the bolts evenly. With the base in place, we can move on to installing the Gnoblin button on the mini top rack. The ideal position is the second hole from the front. We don't recommend mounting it further back. On the underside of the rack, you'll notice circular pockets that hold the washer and nut in place, making installation easier. It's not shown in the video, but the Gnoblin button can also be installed with the provided spacers. These will raise it slightly, which makes attaching and removing the Reckless 10 even smoother. Once that's done, place the harness on the bike. Push it forward with light pressure until the Gnoblin clicks into place. Now secure the lower straps to the Perun Moto tie-down brackets. These brackets are interchangeable, so pay attention to their orientation. The setup shown here gives the optimal angle for the Reckless 10 straps. Attach the strap to the front slot and make sure both sides are tightened evenly so the bag stays centered. Once everything is snug, you can secure the loose strap ends with built-in Velcro loops. For a cleaner look, you can trim them to length, but only if you're not moving the bags between bikes. Finally, screw in the locking pin on the Gnoblin to prevent the harness from shifting. Now you can load the inner dry bags into the harness. The Reckless 10 is perfect for short trips and day rides. Here, it's packed with a rain suit, tubeless repair kit with a small compressor and some basic tools. There is still room for snacks and an extra layer of clothing. The dry bags slide easily into the leg holsters. Roll the top at least 3 times for full waterproofing, more if the bag isn't fully packed. Clip the ends together, then route the strap from the harness through the small loop as shown. This step prevents the dry bags from bouncing out while riding. Repeat the process on both sides. That's it, installation is complete. On the F900GS, the low silencer leaves plenty of clearance, so there is no risk of the bags touching it and melting. When mounted in positions shown here, the bags don't interfere with the rider, even when standing on the pegs. You might brush against them only when shifting your weight far back, but they won't get in the way during normal riding. For reference, the rider in this video is 188 cm tall, or 6 foot 2. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.